Hi there, I just bought your book today. I just wanted to share with you my bright idea. So we took this giant pallet and we cut it in half. We put it on hinges in the back, put screen in here. I just processed last year's spearmint through the screen. It keeps the stems out, so it falls into a clean and sanitized bin. I have my seedlings started, and as I water them, the water goes through the screen into the bucket to create humidity. And I just thought I'd share this with you. In my little greenhouse, we do have a freeze warning tonight, so I did put this plastic up over. We have a little space heater for the nighttime, so hopefully they won't freeze. But our greenhouse is completely glass with a clear tin on the roof. I just thought I'd share with you. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for your information. These times we need to be completely self-sufficient if we can. And I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. So thank you so much for your inspiration as well. God bless.